Dr. Huebner, Natural Transplants, talking about the Norwood-Hamilton scale, and we're talking about the Norwood 3 vertex. So this is basically a stage in between Norwood 3 and Norwood 4. So Norwood 3, as we talked about before, is basically a clearing out, a recession in the front. A lot of people still maintain the middle, which makes it a widow's peak or widow's curve is what people call it. But in addition to that, you're starting to see a little clearing out in the crown area. That's that little circular area towards the back. It's not completely bald necessarily, but it's on its way. This is usually an indication that someone's continuing to lose their hair and probably will be a Norwood 4 at some point. Certainly hair transplants are a great option at this point, but also the consideration of preventative treatments like finasteride, minoxidil, laser helmets to make sure that this doesn't start progressing a little faster. But normally it indicates that you're going to have some type of loss in the crown at some point. If you have any questions, please call us here, 844-327-4247, or visit our website, naturaltransplants.com, Norwood 3 vertex.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.